Hello, everyone. Meteorologist Hutch Johnson joining you on Monday afternoon. A risk of severe weather that gets to be, well, pretty intense. Strong tornadoes, very large hail, flooding rains, gusty winds, all a threat in the red area here. We'll go over that in this FASTCAST coming up right now.
Now, a Hutch's weather update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson, brought to you by Robert Gibb and Sons.
We'll start real quickly with a look at the track and timing of storms as we go through Sunday night late, overnight, and into Monday morning. Strong and even a few severe storms will roll out of the central Dakotas, push into the Red River Valley of North Dakota and the I-29 corridor of South Dakota toward daybreak. Those storms, again, some hail, some gusty straight line wind, cannot rule out an isolated tornado. And then as we head into the Monday timeframe, we need to have some clearing take place for the atmosphere to re-energize. Load the gun again, if you will, with some sunshine aplenty. That starts taking place as we go through mid-morning. So there will be passing showers and storms. That is not the main event. Then firing in the afternoon will be a line of storms right here from western parts of South Dakota. In the early onset, all modes of severe weather will be possible. We could have some violent to strong tornadoes from these cells as they work their way off to the east. We could also have very few tornadoes, but there will be spin in the atmosphere. So it's worth keeping those plans for your safety close by. Review them if you can with your family. Here's the timing from western parts of Minnesota. In the afternoon hours, we'll have all modes of severe weather possible. Brainerd down towards the Sioux Falls area. Then as we head into the early evening hours, the storm threat will continue to shift off to the east into southern parts of Minnesota and toward the I-35 corridor heading into dinner time. Here looks to be the main event, and it will impact parts of Iowa as well as that Omaha region once again with more volatile thunderstorms. Some models painting a picture of snow. I'm not sure if Hutch Johnson is sold on that risk here across North Dakota. Maybe isolated on the far western fringe of this cool system. Not much in the way of accumulation. Here go the thunderstorms in the 9 o'clock hour through Minneapolis on in towards Rochester and the I-35 corridor in the northern parts of Iowa. This is a cluster of thunderstorms there. And when we get complexes of thunderstorms like that, and if we have south flow feeding these all night, we could have violent weather into the overnight hours. So here's what we need to keep in mind. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a level 4 out of 5 for severe weather activity. Southern Minnesota from St. Cloud all the way in toward the Twin Cities. Zooming in on this map just a little bit to give you an idea. In the yellow, we'll have some scattered severe storms. Hibbing, Bemidji, Park Rapids, Fergus Falls. That does include you folks in Detroit Lakes and Lakes Country and eastern parts of Becker County and Wadena County, all the way through parts of eastern South Dakota. The orange, numerous severe storms will be a possibility. I won't say likely, but a possibility should they fire. This is in the afternoon time frame. This is not speaking of what's coming through in the morning. Montevideo, Morris, Benson, down in towards the Douglas County area for you and Alex, and then on toward the Brainerd Lakes area, Motley, Staples, St. Cloud is right on the fringe of where the numerous severe will be there, but strong to violent tornadoes. And, well, some people say gorilla hail. That's not my favorite term, but certainly baseballs and baseball-sized hail could be supported from thunderstorms with updrafts at this strength. So review your safety plans, stay weather aware on your Monday afternoon, anywhere from Lakes Country in western Minnesota all the way out towards the eastern part of the state. This does include parts of western Wisconsin and much of northern Iowa as well. I'm meteorologist Hutch Johnson. I'll have a complete update. Join me tonight for a focused forecast update, in depth. Bring your questions. I'll be happy to answer those. Follow on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, but most importantly, stay weather aware on hutchesweather.com. Anytime, anywhere.